Well, today I'm starting on the siding, not the siding, skirting. I'm going to skirt around the bottom of the cabin here, this addition, all the way around. Finish insulating the pipe there. And yeah, skirt it all in. Cut off those 2x6s. So that's what I'm working on today. Yeah, then I just, the next step kind of is I throw in a 1.5 inch styrofoam and throw some silicone around the edge. Not really neat that I really need it, but I got it cheap anyway. So I'm gonna silicone or caulk around to keep it a little more airtight. Won't hurt, and it might help. Passing your inspection, puss puss. Okay, it's coming along pretty good. I'm not going to bury it till I'm going to treat the bottoms. My brother Robin suggested that I treat the bottoms, which makes sense. Anyway, because the boards are going to be touching the ground there, so they might last longer if I treat them. And then I'm going to stain everything. Okay, we got the west side done, although I just still have to oil it up, stain it. And I guess this would be east side. Just got to frame it in a bit more, styrofoam insulation, and 1x6s all the way across. And that'll have her for the skirting. Might do a section along here. My next project, main big project, is to close this in. And another roof. But that should take a while. Let's finish this off first. Okay, we got the siding done. I'm not the siding, I keep saying siding, skirting. So yeah, all sealed up, all treated. Hopefully I didn't skirt in the cat or two, but I think it's going to work just fine. Another beautiful day in Alberta. Light breeze is supposed to be 30 today, 30 for next couple days, 30, 31, something like that. That's all right. Feels great. Hope everyone's doing well out there, and we'll catch you on the next video.